Hello my friends, welcome to another video today we made a very yummy and creamy pasta. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. If you're interested, then come with me. Okay, so as usual, this is just a basic principle. Get your hot water ready for you before you start making your pasta. So I just naturally threw in my pasta. Sometimes some people break it, but I don't really break it. It doesn't matter. It will all find its way and coil up inside the pot. Okay, so I just covered it and yes, and then I went over to a different thing. So I started cutting my bacon. So in this recipe, I use bacon. So feel free to use whatever you're comfortable with, whatever protein of your choice. Okay, so I took my time here to cut them into little chops and little bits. Okay, so that's what you see me doing here. So just feel free and enjoy my fine motor muscle exercise. You know what I mean? Okay, so I usually add butter and oil. This is just for flavor. Okay, it's optional, so just do you and be you. So after doing that, I just got my onions, ginger and garlic blind. Okay, so that's what I did. I put my seasoning and then I'm frying the onion, ginger, garlic blind. So here my heat is a little bit on the high side because I really want that onion to brown. So there's a flavor, there's kind of aroma that comes out whenever it is browned. Okay, so that is what I was looking for. Again, feel free to be you. Okay, so I now added my pasta sauce here. I chose the 4-cheese flavor because I really want this pasta to be creamy and cheesy at the same time. So the heavy cream I used was coconut milk. I love the flavor of coconut milk. You can use any cream of your choice. This part is very fluid. Okay, so I now added my chopped bacon. Again, there is this creamy flavor, yummy flavor that I'm looking for. So that is why I used my bacon. So I covered and allowed it to simmer, and I just chose my favorite spices. Again, feel free to choose your spices. Okay, another secret spice that did the magic for me was this taco spice. You can try it. This is not a paid advert, it's just an organic advert, because whenever I use taco, it takes my food, the aroma from ordinary to super ordinary. It takes it to another level. You know what I mean? It takes it to a very high level. So yeah, this is just a free and organic advert for taco spices. So I now added my parboiled pasta, and yeah, I was taking my time to put it in bits, in smaller bits. So this is a very big pot of pasta because I am making this food for 7 people, so a lot of people are eating this space, so that's why it is this much, just in case you are wondering. So I did that bit by bit because again, safety is paramount. First thing is safety. So when I was done and comfortable with that, I turned and to make all the mixture to come together. This time my heat is in low. Okay, so I added salt to taste after I have tasted the mixture. And so I turned and I added feta cheese. Guys, I love cheese, but feta cheese is on another level. So it brought that creamy feeling, that creamy taste and everything that I needed. Then I garnished with parsley leaves. Feel free to use any leaves of your choice, any green of your choice, but parsley was it for me for this recipe. Wow, this was exactly what I was looking for. It was looking very yummy and creamy, and yes, when I tasted it was actually what I had in mind. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click that red button that is showing why you're watching this video, and kindly leave me a comment. What do you think? Are you going to try this recipe? And if you are, please feel free to leave me a comment and tell me what you think. So I dished out, whoa, this is yummy, this is healthy, this is the creamy and yummy pasta sauce, pasta, recipe that I was looking for. Wow, this is so delicious, and everybody enjoyed it. Again, let me remind you, click that red button that shows subscribe and kindly share this video. You never can tell, you might be helping somebody or making somebody's day, okay? And this is the final plating and presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, presented before you is your creamy and yummy pasta. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so until I see you in another video, stay blessed, stay well, eat healthy, and stay healthy, because we love you from this channel. Okay, bye bye.